Ho, 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 my brethren.
State of it.
Well, welcome back.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
It's not Christmas.
It's Christmas. No, this is going out at Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Can't be doing it Christmas.
Merry
People
Christmas.
are too busy. We tried that with the football.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We'll do it beforehand. Welcome back to another video. We are here to... We are here today because we want to find out how the MR2... Mr. 2 can flame...
Can it light a Christmas pudding off the backfire of a K24 by this guy while we stand around? That's the gist of it. We're going to set this on fire.
But if it don't happen, and it doesn't happen well,
we're going to do some accelerants. Yeah, we're going to do some accelerants.
Brake fluid.
But it's 9 months matured, which is more than I can say for you two.
Yes.
The Christmas pudding.
It's actually alright.
Don't eat it. It's not for eating.
Yeah, but it's a bit of
right,
food.
cut there. Jesus, you guys are ruining this.
As we're getting prepared, we've realised that this may just get in the way. So, Forrest.
That might actually, the backfire, you know, that's just going to be an issue, isn't it? It's going to. Oh, there you go. You ever seen Santa? Well, that happened.
Well, Santa dickhead's here, isn't he?
I want my beard to go up.
No.
You've already broken the...
There you go.
Ho, ho, ho.
Right, so he's already broken the light.
He's bodged that up.
Yeah, our £19 light buggers. But hang on, don't...
We've got whole lighters.
The reason for masking taping this light is surely to put the light on.
I know, it's not even on. There'll be light.
On.
Bosh. Right, bring that over a little bit more, Stu.
Right, let's get
Bring her in.
Let's get this line.
Lined up with the owl. So this is going to be test 1 out of the box with the brand. Stop eating the Christmas pudding. There's 4 more, you monster. First one out the box. Yeah, you can eat that. You can eat the remnants.
Just to let you know, we're not Neanderthals. We're just warming it up.
We're going to let it warm up.
We're going to send said hood to wherever it wants to go. All right.
So the first one, as we said, look. I don't know, vape. The first one we're going to do is obviously, thank you Santa for my presents this year. We're going to do just the brandy.
Brandy.
That's the first test. Test 1. The second test, the old favourite WD-40.
The garage favourite.
What did Big Lee call it? Bit of sniff.
Bit of sniff.
Bit of sniff. The garage. No, that was a bit of sniff, wasn't it? Brake fluid will be the final test. If this Christmas pudding,
you had to go. Really
we can bleep on that. We can do a Christmas jingle over the top of my swearing. If it don't light on that, your beard's going up, Santa. 3, 2, 1. Well, we've blown a corner off.
Oh. You've got to eat that now.
I don't even like Christmas pudding.
You want that?
Oh yeah, delicious. Yes. Very yummy, Santa, thank you.
No flaming yet.
There was a little bit of flame.
Yeah.
Should we go again? He's going again.
Oh.
Yeah. Test number 2, WD-40. Really soak it, Santa's elf. Oh,
yeah.
the glaze. In there, nice glaze though. In 3, 2, 1, go Santa, go! It's asking more, Santa. It just needs a little bit more accelerant, maybe. Hang on a minute, you're blocking camera. Santa, what are you doing, Santa? He's moved straight to phase 3.
Should we rest in the bottom of the exhaust?
Interesting. Fire Marshal Rich is stepping back, everyone.
Should we tip it on to...
Jesus, Santa!
Like that.
Don't get on the body.
Whoa!
This could be the one.
Alright. What's up for good measure? Alright, Santa! Jeez!
And well, we want to get out of here. It's on the bodywork.
That was the one thing you said not to do.
Right, it might not go.
I mean, it's got every chance. 3, thank all our followers this year. We've had a great time with it.
Very worried about that.
Oh, jeez. Hot. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. We've had a great time making content for you. So there you go. You can ignite a Christmas pudding with a dash of brandy, a hint of WD-40, and a little splash of break. You're right. Breakthrough cleaner.
Full of beard.
That's it from us.
If you like what you saw, you can like doing it again.
You can like, comment. If you want this pudding,
we'll raffle it. We'll raffle it off.
We'll raffle it off.
We've actually got
Listen to it. It's going.
It's actually sizzling.
Oh yeah.
We've got a couple more puddings actually. I might treat you guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, mate.
Merry Christmas, Stu.
Merry Christmas, dude. Merry Christmas, Stu.
I'm proud of us for that.
We did a thing. We were ambitious and it worked.
And we were successful at the same time.
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Well, you can punt it.
Shall I?
He's dead now.
Oh, she's got some substance to her. That's your lot.